Hey guys, Matt from the Weekend Handyman. Today I'll be replacing this side mirror on this Mustang. It's broken inside, somebody must have brushed up against it, hurt it. So this is a very simple thing to do if you break your mirror or gets knocked off. So basically, first thing you'll start is just pull this cover here off and just insert a screwdriver and just literally just pop the clips and it'll come right off. Then we're gonna undo the harness here. On the other side there is a little button you press, pull that out, it's disconnected, and then we're going to remove these three nuts here. (7/16). Now be careful not to drop them in the door panel. You're gonna rattle and not have any hardware left. And, it's not very fun to have to take a door panel off of a vehicle. So. Two. And the third one, you're gonna support the mirror before you take it off. So it doesn't fall on the ground. There's the whole mirror. This one's broken on the inside. And then we're just going to put the new mirror in. Release all the nuts. Tighten that down. It's going to be snug. Sorry, looking at my arm there. Snug all the nuts down. Looks good. And then we're gonna replug it in. I can show you a little bit closer here what I'm looking at. And you see the three nuts there and the plug. Plug this back in. Clip. Realign this. Go ahead and clean that off real quick. And pop it on. There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.